Do you want to know how to live stream on Amazon Live? And a big bonus, to multiple platforms at the same time? We're going to discuss that in today's video, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up? It's Dale here, Live Streaming Tech, and I will let you know that today's video is sponsored by Restream.io. They are the aggregate streaming platform, and if you want to stream out to multiple places all at the same time, Restream can do that for you and some. We're going to talk about them more a little further into the video. We need to discuss, first of all, what is Amazon Live? Well, think of it like YouTube meets QVC on Amazon. You're able to do live video while showcasing products that are on the Amazon page, and anytime someone buys those products because of your video, you get a small percentage of each one of the sales. We actually do have a full video explaining Amazon Live and how to get access. I got some links down inside the description down below. What you'll need to stream on Amazon Live includes having an iOS device, an iPhone preferably, and you're going to need to download the Amazon Live app through the App Store. Now, keep in mind, if you have streaming software, we're going to be able to leverage not only your iOS device, but also the live streaming software. I'm going to show you exactly how. Got to stay till the end. So when you download the app, sign in under Seller, Vendor, or Amazon Influencer. Now let's see how to stream on Amazon Live. Open the app and press the plus symbol. Add a thumbnail image, and this thumbnail image is going to be 16:9 ratio, so essentially like a YouTube thumbnail, which is roughly 1920 by 1080 or 1280 by 720. If you're not sure how to make a thumbnail, we're going to leave a link to some templates that you can utilize inside the description. Press Add Products and search for the products you want to discuss. Organize your products. To delete an item, tap the box and select Delete. Then hit the back button in the top left corner. Now select Add a Title and title your live stream. You can choose a start time or simply skip that if you want to go live right away. Choose your video source. You can go live directly on your iPhone or through an external camera, like an encoder of some sort or something like Restream Studio. We'll get to that in a minute. Now note, you will still need access to your iPhone to start the broadcast. Select Get URL and Stream Key and share to your preferred avenue. You'll need this to go live on an external camera, so don't lose this info. Now scroll down and tap Share a link to your live stream. This is what you're going to use to invite people to come and watch and participate, of course. Once you're ready to go live, select Preview. Once the Go Live button lights up, you're ready to go. Just tap that button. Keep your phone open to monitor the stream and your live viewer comments. Now let's take a look at how to stream on Amazon Live with an external camera. We're going to access Restream Studio. You will need the standard or pro plan in order to utilize the RTMP channel that they have available. It's not available through the free plan. You want more information, go visit our affiliate link at livestreamingtech.com/restream. Now remember the URL and stream key from before? The ones I said don't lose? We're going to use this inside the RTMP, which Restream actually supports. Log into Restream. Select Add Channel. Then click on Custom RTMP. Copy and paste in the RTMP address you got from the Amazon Live app. Then copy and paste the stream key. Hit the Add Channel option. Now let's name the channel, because since you're going to be feeding out to numerous avenues, it's important to kind of differentiate one from the other. Click the sprocket icon and select Edit Settings. Now name your channel and then click Save. Select all the channels you wish to use beyond Amazon. We prefer feeding out to a few other places since our presence isn't quite as big on Amazon Live yet. This is why we love Restream, so we can broadcast to Amazon Live in other areas for a bigger audience. We invite the bigger audience over to Amazon Live. People then buy products and everybody's happy in the end. Now click the Enter the Live Studio option to begin your stream. your camera should come on and you're ready to go. Once you're truly ready to go live on Amazon, hit the go live button. But that's not it. That's one of two steps you need to take. The very next thing you need to do is get your iPhone back out, have the app opened up, and now you're going to look into the Amazon Live app. The go live button should be lit up. You're going to go ahead and press go live. And you're ready to go. You should be streaming onto Amazon Live's platform. And if you're really not sure about how to get access to Amazon Live, believe it or not, we actually talked about how to become an Amazon influencer, which pretty much is a backdoor way of getting into the Amazon Live app. We're going to talk about that in this very next video, how to become an Amazon influencer. And oh, by the way, this other video over in the other corner, YouTube suggests you should check that out. So if you've already watched the one about Amazon influencer, or you are that, go take a look at that one.